A federal judge has temporarily blocked New York State from issuing its first batch of retail licenses for recreational cannabis in 5 regions. Our New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein spoke to the cannabis associations about what impacts this could have on New York's new marijuana market.
As the state prepares to begin adult recreational marijuana sales by the end of this year, Brooklyn, the Finger Lakes, and other upstate New York regions are facing legal challenges over retail cannabis licenses. On Thursday, November 10th, a federal judge halted the state from issuing licenses for recreational marijuana while a resolution pens from a lawsuit filed by a Michigan-based cannabis company challenging the license selection requirements. The lawsuit argues the state's selection process favors New York residents over out-of-state residents and violates constitutional interstate commerce protections. And the judge's ruling affects 63 of the 150 licenses the state had planned to issue. Michael Cooper from the National Cannabis Industry Association says this litigation highlights the importance of social equity provisions in implementing federal cannabis reform.
These lawsuits are about federal protections and the interplay between federal and state law. And so the best way to fix this, in our view, is to have effective federal cannabis reform that clears the way for these markets to operate and to operate in a diverse and equitable fashion.
And some associations say the cannabis industry is prepared to handle litigation like this.
We see it as a matter of procedure and not really necessarily an indication of the case's merit.
Livingston adds lawsuits are typical during a rollout of state cannabis legalization. He also emphasized that this litigation does not stop the New York State cannabis market from opening, as it only impacts 5 of the 14 regions. In Albany, Elise Klein, WNY News Now.